Welcome. If you want to turn on location tags in your photos or videos in Nokia G10, at the first you have to be in the camera and then go for the settings. Right now you have to be sure that location is turned on and also that location is activated on your phone. When you cannot find location icon in this quick panel, you have to click right here and then drag it through the screen to get it, then go back and then location will appear right here, and as you can see location is turned on. So right now when you got two options enabled, we can finally go back and take a photo, then go for the details of that photo, and as you can see, oh wait a minute, okay, let me show you the preview photo. I don't know why in this one it's not appears even when I didn't change anything. Take a look. In this photo we got the exact location where the photo was taken. So as you can see, it's not working always, but you have to get used to it. Maybe they will fix it in the next update. I hope so. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.